So here we are in the sequencer editor. Um, this is the place where you select which sequence or chunk, as it is called in DP, you're working on. So it should be the whatever sequence you're working on. This is the information bar. This part is the selection part. Whatever you select, the timeline, it will show up here. So I'm selecting from 4 bar to 5th bar. So it will show 4 to 5 and 3 beats, basically 3 quarter notes. Because we are right now in 6/8, so the grid is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 quiver notes or 6 1/8 notes. So it's showing 3 full quarter notes. This is the snapping information. So this is what you want to snap to, like a quiver or a crochet. So this is the whole crochet. This is quivers, and here is the snapping to beat. This blue color is for beat. So these files, uh, DP will analyze and find out beats within each file. So like this blue color node is a beat which DP has recognized. So if I put the beat snapping on, it will snap from the beat to the next beat or something, wherever. Okay. The selection of anything you have, wherever you are, the cursor is there, you go down, and then you see cross, that's where the selection thing starts.